And I tell you, for the true believers, one of the most difficult tests is to be disconnected from the Imam of your time. Not to have the privilege of seeing him, of going to him, of asking him. In explaining this verse, Al-Imam al-Kadhim alayhi salam, قُلْ إِنْ أَصْبَحَ مَاءُكُمْ غَوْرًا فَمَنْ يَأْتِيكُمْ بِمَاءٍ مَعِينٍ. The Quran says in one verse, say that if your water, if you're short on water, if the wells go dry, if the water sources of this world, they go dry, then who can bring you pure water? Other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Imam alayhi salam says this is a reference to the Qa'im and the Ghaibah. This is a reference to Al-Imam al-Mahdi. Say if you're disconnected from your Imam, if you lose direct access with your Imam, then what are you going to do? Al-Imam al-Kadhim is telling his Shia, what are you going to do? This loss is very difficult, brothers and sisters. It is extremely difficult. And the believers, the most difficult thing for them in the time of Ghaibah is the fact that they've been orphaned from the Imam of their time. Even though the Imam is spiritually with us, yes, the Imam is physically present on this earth. In one hadith, the Imam says, إِنَّا غَيْرُ مُهْمِلِينَ لِمُرَاعَاتِكُمْ وَلَا نَاسِينَ لِذِكْرِكُمْ وَلَوْلَا ذَلِكَ لَنَزَلَ بِكُمُ الْأَوَاءُ وَلَاصْطَلَمَكُمُ الْأَعْدَاءُ. He says, we do not forget you, O my followers. The Imam is saying, we forget him. We forget him very easily. But the Imam says, I don't forget about you. Had it not been for that, realize that your enemies would have uprooted you. They would have exterminated you. And it's with the blessings of Al-Imam al-Mahdi that for 1,100 years, the followers of Ahlul Bayt continue to survive despite their enemies, despite all those evil actions against them. The Imam alayhi salam is with us. He sees our actions. He observes what goes on with us.